Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be solving this puzzle called zeros and ones. So we'll be learning about zeros and ones function in one numpy. So here you can see zeros and ones. So this is about zeros. Zeros tool returns a new array with a given shape and type filled with zeros. Okay. So array will be having only zeros, and you can define the shape and type of it. Okay. So you can see here import numpy, print numpy dot zeros 1 comma 2. So that means you are defining the dimension here and you are telling that it has to be filled with zeros. Okay, so 1 comma 2 means 1 cross 2 array with all values 0. Now the default values will be of float type. If you want them into int type, you have to add this line as well along with this line. So 1 comma 2 comma d type, which is data type, equal to numpy dot int. So type changes to int. You can see both of them are of integer type. Here dot represent float type. Okay, same thing you can imagine here as well. One tool returns the new array with a given shape and type filled with ones only. So instead of zeros, you will have only ones here. Okay, import numpy, print numpy dot ones 1 comma 2 means 1 cross 2 type, 1 row 2 column. So you can see here again it is a float type. So if you want them into int type, this is what you have to write. Numpy dot int is equal to d type, which is data type. So it converts into int type. Okay, so these two things we have to apply. Our task is, you are given the shape of the array in the form of space separated integer. So shape will be given to us. Each integer represents the size of different dimension. Your task is to represent an array of given shape and integer type using the tools numpy, zeros and ones. Okay, so given the shape of the array will be given to us space separated, and here you can see each integer representing the size of different dimension. Okay, so dimension will be given to us basically this inside bracket stuff, and our task is to print the array of given size and integer type. That they have to be integer, so we have to use d type here and using the two zeros and ones. So you can see here single line space separated integer we will get, that will show the dimension. We have constraint here, each integer has to be between 1 and 3. Then first print the array using the numpy dot zero tool, and then print the array with numpy dot ones tool. Okay, so this is the input. So 3 3 3 means 3 cross 3 cross 3. So that is a dimension. So you can see this is 1 3 cross 3, then this is second 3 cross 3, and this is third 3 cross 3. So total 3 cross 3 cross 3. So this is your one array, okay, of 3 cross 3 cross 3 filled with zeros integer type, and another one you have filled with 1 integer type. Okay, so print array built using numpy zeros and 1 tools, and you get the result as shown. So it is simple, nothing new we have to take. So we just have to take the inputs n comma m comma p, let's say. Okay, so list I'll do, map, same stuff what we have done before, int comma input dot split. Okay, this is the way we will take the dimensions, and we will print the I'll print the zeros and ones. So I'll take this, copy it, numpy dot ones, and we also have to print data type. D type is equal to int numpy dot int. Okay, so this is how it will look. So this is for zeros, like this you have to write 0s. Now same thing you can do for ones as well, but here it has to be n comma m comma p, n comma m comma similar stuff but with ones. ONE. I'll run it. Oops, I made a mistake here. M comma N comma M comma P. So this has to be India, correct? Per test number D type. Is there any problem? Problemo. Oops. Yes, it is correct. Numpy dot zeros. N comma P. Okay, inside ones we have to give. Yeah, it is correct. T type numpy dot int. This is what I've written, and this is what's the problem then? Input split map. Sample test cases pass bus. So it is showing is 3. Depreciate. I think some. Let me submit it. Oops, 2 test cases are failed. Okay, different dimensions will be there now. Okay, this is for 3x3 only. So let me do. So what I've done is, okay, let me check. Let me write ls here. Ls. These are correct, but what is this in type? Numpy dot zeros ls. The type is equal to numpy dot int list map int comma input. I think it is correct. What's the problem? Is there anything I am missing? Congratulations, the test case is passed, but expected output same. Let me submit it. Now all the test cases are passed. Yeah, so actually the point was I was actually made this for specifically for 3x3x3 previously, but now it could be of any dimension, right? 3x3x3x3 also it will take. So that way NMP will not work, right? You need 4 variables. So a list, I have defined it as a list, and that whole list I have transferred here, so that I don't have to care about the dimensions. So yeah, we are done. Let's see other test cases as well. 3x2x3, 3x, see here only 3x2 type they asked. Okay, so that way it will work. Okay, now why there is a error here? In numpy print or 0, still it is showing the output, so I won't care about this. Depreciated warning lies by bulleting. I don't know. Silent. This is some sort of warning you can silent maybe. There are other commands to silent the warnings, but it's working. Okay, so you can submit it, and if you want you can do the constraint. Each of the integer has to be between 1 and 3. Okay, like the value, just write a if condition and check each of the elements, or for loop will work, I think. Whether each of the element inside ls is between 1 and 3 or not. If it is not, stop the execution, else follow, go ahead, else go ahead. Okay, so that is something you can do. on your own. So this was easier exercise, you can see. Let's go to the next one.